Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 623. The title of today's lesson is The Difference Between Personification and Anthropomorphism. Okay, somebody want to screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. Personification is the act of representing an abstract quality or idea. Sometimes it's abstract, something that you can't physically touch, as a person or creature, and giving inanimate objects or natural phenomenon, things that occur in, storms, thunder, things like that, human characteristics in a way that is a metaphor, like when you're comparing the two without using like or as, or represents something. Anthropomorphism is to give or attribute a human form or behavior to animals, objects, etc. Okay, we got several examples here to try to clarify it for you. Here's the first one. Mother Nature is a personification of nature. Yeah, we often use the term Mother Nature. There is no real Mother Nature. It is an abstract idea that refers to nature, especially in regard to natural phenomenon, like weather, storms, natural disasters, earthquakes, tsunamis, anything like that. And here's our example. Mother Nature is angry. Yeah, anytime like a storm is coming, a hurricane, or tsunami, whatever it is, we sometimes say that that's why it happened, because Mother Nature is angry. That's what we do. So this is a perfect example. We're representing her like she's a real person, but of course it's just natural phenomenon. Okay, next example. Father Time is a personification of time. Again, this is something abstract. You can't hold it. Usually represented as an old man with an hourglass. And here's our example. We all get older. Father Time catches up to us all. That's just the way we would use it. Okay, Lady Liberty is a mythological personification, as Liberty represented as a young woman holding a torch. And then later on, they also had her holding the scales too. All right. But again, it's liberty, something you can't touch, but we're representing it with either a person or a thing. All right, here's some other examples of things using personification, the way we write, like lightning danced across the sky. So lightning cannot really dance. We're giving it human characteristics. The sun smiled down on us. We sometimes write like this. The sun can't really smile. In cartoons, sometimes it has a face, but in real life, it does not have a face. So that would be another example of personification. All right, let's continue. Anthropomorphism often appears in literature, especially in writing, in fairy tales, fables, etc. Yeah, when you're teaching lessons and stuff like that, especially when you have animals or objects talking like they are human. So it would be something that, at least in the story, could be touched. All right, so Thomas the Train cartoon is an example of anthropomorphism. The train can have facial expressions, and talk, so like a human. Number 2, the animals in the classic George Orwell novel Animal Farm is another example of anthropomorphism. They possess human traits and human emotions. Yes, they were greedy, they turned evil, all things like that. Okay, and the last one here. In the classic novel and Disney movies, the story of Beauty and the Beast has a number of anthropomorphic characters, such as the clock. They make the clock look partially human and talk and have human conversations, and they act throughout the story. The candelabra, the teapot, that communicate and have human emotions. So anthropomorphism is usually, it's like a character that you see acting through the whole thing. Personification is more like just a representation, especially, again, an abstract idea or quality. Anyway, I hope you got it. Hope you got a better feel now of when you would use one and the other. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.